Most meal prep sucks, so let's prep some garlic lime chicken with Parmesan potatoes. This packs a whopping 80 grams of protein per serving. We don't call it easy gains for nothing. Grab a crock pot or slow cooker. You're gonna load in a couple pounds of chicken along with red and green onion. Now season it up with these bad boys, then cook on medium for 3 to 4 hours. All that's left to do is to stir in some cilantro lime rice and Parmesan cheese when it's all done. This recipe will have you looking forward to every meal of the week, all while building the body of your dreams.